Morning. Day number 3. We're headed to the dam for some bone fishing and possibly some GTs. Carlos is with us.
Yeah, it's
All right, brother. Let's go catch some fish. Let's do this. Fish on.
all three have to go. Boobies. Booby birds.
Looks like we're in the middle of the ocean. We are fishing. Ooh, there is a bonefish right there. He's moving. Seen a lot of fish this morning. Got my 6-weight again, the SRC 6, very stout rod with a little clouser minnow to start off the day. Had a lot of success with that, a lot of good action yesterday, so stuck with that. Fish on. Wasn't filming when that guy came. This guy is. Oh, you're done, buddy. There we go. Gone. Day 3, rough day, just really tough to see anything with all the cloud cover and rain. Managed a bonefish that just kind of came up and ate my fly, and a queenfish that went after the popper and then ended up getting hit by, sideswiped by the popper. But, all in all, I'm at Christmas time, right? We got 3 more days. So, that said, I'll see you in the morning.
Okay.
Good morning. Next day, day number 4. Today is going to be a great day. I mean, just first, look at this sunrise. I mean, holy smokes. It is just absolutely gorgeous out here. We're headed to one of my dad's favorite spots, Paris. And it looks like the weather gods are going to shine upon us. Only a 5% chance of rain today. But we're going to have some breakfast. And we are going to head out into the boats. Man, I just can't stop looking at that. I mean, it doesn't do it justice on film. It's so beautiful. But we're headed to Paris today, one of my dad's favorite spots, and it looks like it's going to be a pretty great day. So I'll see you on the boat.
Well, I guess
all right, we're at the boat. We're going to head to Paris and hopefully catch a ton of fish today. We are here, Armadillo. We are on Paris. One of the best places on earth.
the best
Seriously.
Paris, not the other Paris.
This is the best Paris by far. And we're going to be fishing this inland flat here. It's just going to be, I can't wait. Let's go do this. Oh yeah, first fish of the day. Little bonefish. Little baby. Hello, little baby. Nice. Armadillo's got his first bone of the day. There we go. There is where he went. Yeah.
See it?
It's very cool.
Mm-hmm. About 40 feet. Wait. Trip. Wait. Trip. Trip.
There he is. Nice. Oh, and he's off. That's so cool. We're getting a lot of follow, so we're going to switch to one of these guys right here. So, let's see if that works. Thank you, David, for tying that on for me.
You're welcome.
Little bluefin trevally made it easy for me. Pretty fish. Look how blue that is. That is really pretty. Yeah. Oh, I missed that take. Is that trevally?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. It's a GT. Baby GT. Even the baby's got some balls. This thing's just full and full and full. It's amazing how strong these things are. Oh yeah, look at this guy. Very nice. They're barking. Oh, fish on. Bonefish didn't know he was hooked. I got a bone. He was just chilling right over here. I cast to him and he ate it. Check this guy out. Nice. Dude. Armadillo and I are enjoying our lunch, a little PB&J. And we're gonna get right back to fishing because the fishing's been pretty good today. We got sun, clear skies. So we're gonna take a quick 10-minute break to eat, then it's back to fishing. Check out the sky. How cool is that? I don't think I've ever seen that before.
Me neither.
Oh, there is a big bone coming right at me. It's about 80 feet away. Here comes a bonefish. There we go. Nice. I love being able to sight fish for these things. It's a decent bone too. Well into the backet. I would imagine. I know I'm getting tired out. Wow. What a fight. Oh. Come on, buddy, you done? Please be done. Man. Heck of a fight. Woo! Very large bonefish. I know, he took me in the backing twice. It's just a single fish that was coming up. No, it was just one single fish. It's a solid 20-incher, I think. Wow, yeah, that's a nice fish. Look at that guy. Holy crap. Yeah, that is a solid bonefish. Wow. Woo!
No, they're like.
What's up, Armadillo?
Hey man, what's happening?
It was a good day, bro.
What a day, yes. It was a good day.
What a day.
Really good day.